Okay, and I promised advanced questions, but uh, we need to. I mean, you need to know these rules before we go to those advanced questions. Well, this is. I won't say this is a boring. Let me start the time. I won't say this is a boring part of the tutorial, but the important part, like if you grasp these basics, you understand. You know what? Let's be cool with blue. I don't know why it defaults to blue. I don't know, but yeah, we're just gonna be using blue today. So yeah, first thing first, we need to change this one a to like minus. It's equivalent to I know to some of you we should have started from here, but this is where we started. This is equal to this thing here. I think we all know negative times negative is equal to positive, and then how do you transition to this? So now I've used this because we've proven this. So like previous tutorial, we've actually shown this. We've actually made a whole lot of playlists, not a whole lot of places, but a whole lot of tutorials. We're just proving this. Now we know this, so we've proven this, so we can use it here. I was hoping this gonna be short, but I don't know. I don't know. Things may just go out of the way. So yeah, this is it. This is us proving it. If you feel like I was super fast, like, no, I'm kidding. I just wanted to say something dumb. Nah, just holler at me. On real, holler at me. Remember, we are using this formula because we've proven it. So you can go to the previous formula. We subbing into b. We subbing negative b because we have negative b. Maybe, you know what? I don't think we'll understand this. I don't think everybody's like me or ever like me. So this negative, we've only manipulated to be negative so that we can have this step, you know. But when we return it, negative times negative equals plus. It's equal to plus sign, turning into a plus, you know. Because I think I need to teach algebra. Because who knows? Maybe people will teach algebra. They don't make you understand it. Like I will make you understand it. And if you can't hear my volume, I probably think it's because it was, I don't know, on a low. But right now, we're focusing on this part, right? Oh, I think we'll be using blue in the next tutorial. I don't know, but I don't think we'll be using it. Does it make sense? Okay. Now let's go back to the equation that we all know from the very beginning. So negative angles. I shouldn't have done that. I'm sorry. This is a positive because it's cos. You know, any negative angle. This is a positive one. It's due to graphs. Due to what? Graphs. I will draw that graph at the end of the tutorial because I know most of you guys have seen this, and oh my god, this is a positive. You've seen this, and now it's a negative. Okay, let's start with positive because some of you don't understand why it's just, you know, this negative. And negative oh my god, I'll show you this thing. I don't know why I'm stuttering saying, oh, let's do this. Negative angle of sine is equal to negative. Unlike cos is positive. You know, you kind of like, you know, even if it's negative, it's more like an absolute function to it. So now it's a negative one. I will show